Imagine a city rising from the desert, sculpted from glass and steel. This is Dubai. Once a quiet fishing village, Dubai transformed into a city of the future almost overnight. Driven by bold dreams, people here turned sand into skyscrapers. Dubai is a playground for the imagination, where everything feels bigger and brighter. The sun makes the city sparkle, and the energy is contagious. It's a place where anything seems possible. Like an animation, Dubai started as a sketch and grew into a masterpiece, built piece by piece. The city's creators were artists, unafraid to dream big and surprise the world. Walking through Dubai feels like stepping onto a film set, each scene more spectacular than the last. One moment you're gazing at the tallest building, the next you're watching fountains dance to music. Dubai is a city that wants to amaze you. Its spirit is warm and welcoming, inviting you to explore and become part of its story. Here, every street holds a secret, every building a dream. Dubai is proof of what people can achieve with vision and creativity. It's a city that captures your heart and inspires you to believe in the power of big ideas. Welcome to Dubai, a city made of dreams. In Dubai, buildings tell stories, none more famous than the Burj Khalifa. The world's tallest tower pierces the sky, offering views that make you feel on top of the world. Next door, the Dubai Mall is a universe of its own, with a giant aquarium and an ice rink in the desert heat. Outside, the Dubai Fountain puts on a dazzling show of water, music, and light. Then there's the Palm Jumeirah, an island shaped like a palm tree, built from the sea itself. Driving its roads feels like sailing on land, surrounded by luxury hotels and sparkling water. These landmarks are more than attractions, they're symbols of Dubai's ambition and creativity. Each one is a character in the city's story, bold and unforgettable. Visiting them is like meeting legends in real life. Dubai's icons show that even the wildest ideas can become reality. They make the city famous, but more importantly, they inspire wonder. Here, imagination takes shape in steel, glass, and sand. Dubai's skyline is a celebration of what's possible. In this city, dreams truly touch the sky. What's it like to live in Dubai? It's a life of contrasts and excitement. People from all over the world fill the city, creating a vibrant multicultural community. Mornings are a rush of languages and energy as everyone heads to work in gleaming towers. After work, families relax in green parks or swim at beautiful beaches. Dubai is safe, friendly, and full of community spirit. Beyond the city, golden sand dunes stretch to the horizon, a world of adventure and tradition. On weekends, people escape to the desert for dune bashing, camel rides, and starlit campfires. This blend of modern city life and ancient desert magic makes Dubai unique. Here, you can experience futuristic malls one day and timeless desert sunsets the next. The balance between new and old, city and nature, is at the heart of Dubai. It's a place where you can chase your dreams and connect with history. Dubai offers a lifestyle that's rich, varied, and unlike anywhere else. It's two worlds in one extraordinary city. Dubai balances the future with deep respect for its past. In the Gold Souk, shop windows glitter with gold, echoing centuries of trade. The Spice Souk overflows with colors and scents, cinnamon, saffron, and more. Crossing Dubai Creek on a wooden Abra boat, you feel the city's history come alive. But Dubai also loves excitement. Its theme parks are worlds of adventure, with roller coasters and water slides for all ages. Here, you can meet movie characters or explore fantasy lands. In one day, you can haggle for treasures in ancient markets and then ride futuristic attractions. Dubai invites you to enjoy both tradition and innovation. The city grows and modernizes without losing its soul. This blend of old and new is what makes Dubai fascinating. Every corner offers a new experience, from timeless souks to high-tech thrills. Dubai proves you don't have to choose between past and present. It's a city where history and imagination walk side by side. Dubai's food scene is as diverse as its people. From world-class restaurants to humble street stalls, you can taste flavors from every corner of the globe. Don't miss local Emirati dishes like machbouz and sweet lukaimat. Each bite is a taste of tradition. Shopping here is an adventure, whether in themed malls or bustling souks filled with treasures. But what truly sets Dubai apart is its welcoming spirit. The city opens its arms to everyone, inviting people to share their cultures and dreams. Dubai is proof that people from all backgrounds can live together in harmony. Like a claymation film made by many hands, Dubai is a masterpiece of unity and creativity. It's a city of the future, built on warmth and hope. In Dubai, everyone is welcome to be part of the story.